guess it depends on what industry you're working with. So if we think about say complaints handling, for instance, to start with, I guess the application of agents and AI into a kind of high volume repetitive scenario versus a more knowledge-based work, right? So we work with some law firms where prescriptive process just needs to be 5 boxes on a canvas, that we need to do this, and then all the things that happen within a stage of a process is the knowledge stuff that happens. Somebody gets told they need to do this and they go off and do it. If you're, say, doing a filing with a patent office or something like that, actually the knowledge work is the valuable piece that you're putting together, and then that's part of the process. But if you look at a call center handling complaints, that's a very prescriptive process. So the application of the agents in that sense will be different. The agent for the knowledge base is a facilitation and taking some things that are enablement for the user to take away some of the stuff that they don't need to be doing anymore, or the background work that they could be doing. And then in the more high volume structured processes, it's actually removing the human from having to do almost all of it, because you can actually prescribe that and do that with an agent instead. So yeah, it's interesting the way that those two, enablement and replacement can both be achieved.